Presenting Scanplant NG Manufacturing Execution System, an efficient tool for monitoring productivity, inventory, yield and giveaway in real time, which will provide you with a unique basis for improving your company's earnings. Do you have errors in the quantities delivered, the quality of the goods, or the time of delivery? Can you find the correct materials in stock? Do you often have materials that are too old in stock? Do you always know your yields and traceability? Do you know the quantity and age of the materials in stock so you can meet all sales orders? Can you manage traceability when adding spices and additives? Do you know the exact yield of your processing, for instance, your sausage production? Do you know the product shrinkage after smoking? Do errors occur in the packing process of customer orders? Do you have problems registering the correct quantity and products to the correct customer? Scanplant generates a complete overview of all your manufacturing processes in the entire factory and drives up efficiency, quality standards and traceability management at the same time. Scanplant NG handles traceability through all steps in the production flow and ensures fully documented traceability. Scanplant can be scaled to fit precisely to your production, from a single process to a full-blown manufacturing execution system. Do you have errors in the quantities delivered, the quality of the goods, or the time of delivery? Scanplant checks all parameters and ensures correct deliveries. Scanplant registers the materials and traceability data and generates a new traceability source code, which is put on the pallet. The delivery is registered to the purchase order in Scanplant and acknowledged. Can you find the correct materials in stock? Scanplant manages all materials with information about type, date, weight, location and traceability. The operator scans the QR code at the location and transfers the data to Scanplant inventory, which keeps track of materials in stock. Do you often have materials that are too old in stock? Scanplant uses FIFO, first in, first out, which ensures the oldest products are used first. It eliminates out-of-date materials, reduces shelf time, and maximizes the output. Do you always know your yields and traceability? Scanplant registers the weight of materials going to and from production processes, keeps track of the traceability data, and generates a report with yields, giveaway, and other key figures. Product data and traceability data is scanned on the label, and the weight registered to the production order. A new exit batch number is generated and printed on a label for the new exit batch container. After cutting, the weight of the exit batch container is registered to the production order. A new label with updated data and serial number is printed and placed on the container. Do you know the quantity and age of the materials in stock so you can meet all sales orders? Scanplant keeps exact track of type, date, weight, location and traceability of every single container in stock, allowing you to meet all orders. Can you manage traceability when adding spices and additives? The Scanplant handles the traceability data of the added spices and links it to the materials. Before grinding, the weight of the container is registered to the production order. The product data and traceability data is scanned, and a new exit batch number is generated and placed on the exit batch container. The operator scans traceability data from the bag with spices and the label on the container. Then Scanplant links the traceability source code to the exit batch number. The weight of the container is registered to the exit batch number, and a label with the updated data is placed on the container. Do you know the exact yield of your processing, for instance, your sausage production? Scanplant can calculate the yield and generate an overview of your production output. The weight of the sausage mix is registered to the production order, and the traceability data of the sausage mix is linked to the exit batch number of the existing sausage rack. Now the container goes to the mixing machine and the sausage production starts. The sausage rack is weighed, and the total weight is registered to the exit batch number. A label with the new weight is printed and placed on the rack. Do you know the product shrinkage after smoking? Scanplant registers the product weight into and out of the smoking oven and calculates the yield. The sausage rack is weighed in at the curing stock, and a label with the updated weight is placed on the rack. The label also contains the traceability data. Do errors occur in the packing process of customer orders? Scanplant ensures that the right customer order is picked, packed, and labelled with the correct information. The operator simply selects a product number, a sales order number, or a package number, then all relevant data is presented on the screen, and the operator can start the packing job. A new traceability number is generated. Then the products are weighed and labelled with all relevant data, including traceability number. Scanplant presents a full overview of the customer order in a clear, user-friendly design. It's also possible to adjust the content of a pallet or to force shut a sales order, a box, or a pallet. When the packing job is completed, Scanplant automatically sums up the data for all packed products for the next packing level. Do you have problems registering the correct quantity and products to the correct customer? Scanplant features a smart dispatch module for picking the right order for the right customer and generates solid documentation in case of customer claim. When picking pallets for a customer order, the operator scans the barcode ID on the label to check if it matches the order line. If it's a wrong pallet, he receives a warning from the Scanplant system. Scanplant can inform the operator which location to go to. Now he scans the barcode ID on the label again, and this time it matches the order line, so he can pick the pallet and take it to dispatch. Scanplant captures all traceability data digitally and eliminates the time-consuming manual registration. The system documents full traceability and can show the information in real time. Scanplant presents all production data, providing you with an overview of the yields, shipped orders, inventory status, and more. All data is gathered in one place, where key figures can be presented in a report, making it easy to follow the main key figures. Scanplant ensures that deviations in the different processes are detected. This allows you to take preventive actions and reduce giveaway, which will optimize your yield and increase your earnings.